Gan, palakpakan naman natin siya. Please welcome, Iya Oliva!
Thank you, JD. Thank you. Hello! 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 Masaya at masiglang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome to the Philippine Book Festival 2026 here at the SM Mega Mall, Mega Trade Hall 3. And of course, welcome sa ating Fiesta Stage para sa very special launch ng ating libro mula sa St. Mary's Publishing Corporation. Ito ay pinamagatang Bryant the Nonchalant. Alam niyo ba ibig sabihin ng Bryant the, ng nonchalant? Ginagamit niyo ba ang nonchalant? Nonchalant ba kayo? Obviously, nagre-react nga kayo. Maraming salamat. So anyway, ang Bryant the Nonchalant ay isinulat ni Mr. Jerry Vicente S. Katabihan. And ito ay iginuhit ni Elmer S. Sales at of course, inilimbag ng St. Mary's Publishing Corporation. Ako nga po pala, si Iya Oliva, at ako ang inyong makakasama dito sa Fiesta Stage sa susunod na oras. Alam ko, lunchtime na. Gutom na kayo? Ay, hindi kayo gutom. Okay, sige, magsama tayo dito hanggang 5 o'clock. Game? Opo, okay. Sino sasama sa akin hanggang 5 o'clock? Woo! Sigaw ng woo! Sigaw ng wow! Sigaw ng hihi! Okay, so marami akong makakasama, no? Alright. So, alam ko, lunchtime na, pero puno pa naman yung mga kainan dito sa loob ng SM Mega Mall. Kasi nga lunchtime, lahat sabay-sabay kumakain. Kaya, dito muna kayo. Samahan niyo muna kami sa susunod na oras para sa aming maikling programa. So as I have said earlier, we are doing a book launch for St. Mary's Publishing Corporation and we are doing it with a twist. Apart from getting to meet and chat with the author of their newly published book, we will get to watch a short play inspired by this book. So kanina ko pa binabanggit, no? Bryant the Nonchalant. Excited na ba kayong malaman ng storya? Excited na ba? Okay, pero bago yon, maglalaro muna tayo ng game. Sino gusto maglaro ng game? Wow, ang dami nating participants. Okay, yung mga gusto maglaro ng game, I need 10 people, both kids and adults. Dito po tayo. By the way, yung sasali sa game, merong agad special coupon mula sa St. Mary's Publishing Corporation. Ilan na ito? Kindly line up. Please, one line lang. Okay, zero position. Zero position. Zero position. Everyone. Zero position and one line. And ready. Diba? Magpa-perform sila. 2, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. 12. Okay lang? Okay lang. Sige, 12 tayo. Okay tayo. Sige. Pair up. Kalat kayo. Find your happy space and then pair up. Dalawa lang. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Hindi, dalawa lang. Can I have 2? Sino ba? Can I have 1? 1. Pair kayo ha. Here po. Dito po kayo. Yan. Here. Here. Over here. Yan. Alright. Hiwalay po tayo. Dalawa lang. Yan. Okay. So, ang lalaroin natin ay medyo bago to. Bago to ha. You have to pay attention sa instructions kasi baka mahirapan kayo. Bato-bato pick. Alright. So, bato-bato pick. So, kayong mga magkakapareha, kayo na yung magkalaban. So, ang goal natin ay for example, kayong dalawa, bato, pick. Okay, wait, trial lang yun ha, trial lang yun. Okay, bato, pick. Kung sinong panalo, kakalabanin yung nanalo dito. Hanggang sa may matirang isa. Okay ba yon? And of course, yung mananalong isa, sasabihin ko mamaya yung prize. Alright? O, sabay-sabay tayo. Harap sa katunggali. Harap sa katunggali. Ready na kayo? Sabay-sabay. Bato, pick! Okay, kung sino yung panalo, taas ang kamay. Alright, yung hindi pinalad sa ngayon ay gumilid lamang tayo. Alright. Alright, sino yung nanalo sa inyo? Alright, okay, kayong dalawa naman ang pair. Sino yung nanalo sa inyo? Okay, kayong dalawa naman. For you, dun muna sa side, please. Alright kayo, okay, so kayong dalawa naman are ready? Okay lang, join kayo sa kanila doon, okay? Ready? Are you ready? Ay, hindi yata ready. Are you ready? Okay. Bato, pick. Sino panalo? Okay, how about you? How about this pair? Sino nanalo? Pareho. Oh, one more. Bato, pick. Alright. Okay, so kayong dalawa naman. How about you? Sing. Oh, sige, isa ulit. Game. Bato, pick. Isa pa. Bato, pick. Okay, one more. Bato, pick. Okay, thank you. Sino nanalo? Okay, here. And then sa inyo. Sa'yo. Ay, wala pa po. Sige, standby ka lang ha. Alright. Ready? Bato, pick. Bato, pick. Meron na. Meron ng winner. Okay, kayo. Okay. How about you? One more. Bato, pick. Okay, ikaw yung kanina, di ba? Okay, go. Kayong dalawa. Game. Bato, pick. Alright, and then, so yung last two girls natin standing. Ready? Ikaw yung winner kanina, di ba? Okay. Ito kayo nanalo? Ay, sino? Okay, game. Already, for the final round. Bato. Wala pa. Ulit. Ready? Bato. Oh, wala. Sorry, nawalan ako ng mic. Isa pa. Ready? Wait lang. Hindi, totoo na. Hingan muna tayo malalim. Inhale. Exhale. Bato, pick. Yay! Alright, thank you. What's your name?
Naomi.
Congratulations, Naomi! You're from what dance group ba?
Yes. I don't know.
Mandaluyong. Congratulations, Naomi, from Mandaluyong Ballet Group. You have, actually, as promised, lahat kayo merong special prize. Sige, sandali lang ha. Okay, this is a special coupon from St. Mary's Publishing Corporation. Hold on to these coupons and later, right after we finish, I will give you instructions on how to claim your prize. Malinaw ba iyon? Alright, sige, bibigyan ko muna. One. Oh, get one. Ayan, thank you. Get one. What? Get one. Wait lang. Alright, so thank you very much for participating. So, nag-enjoy naman ang mga bata. Ang mga parents, nag-enjoy ba? Gusto niyo rin bang maglaro? Mas mahirap. Ha? Alright, sige. So, as the kids, as we wait for them to get settled, no, join muna ako sa mga adults naman. And meron akong very easy questions. At syempre, kung sino ang sasagot ng very, very honest answer, bibigyan din natin ng special prize from the St. Mary's Publishing Corporation. Sino ang gustong sumagot? From the adults naman. How about on this side? Meron bang gustong sumagot? Alright. Kapag walang nag-volunteer, magpapa-volunteer ako. Ako na. Oh yeah, oh, yeah. Maraming tinutulong. Oh, sige. Madam, may I invite you here to join me? Hi ma'am, what's your name?
Suset,
And what group or company are you representing?
Manila Valley.
Sample. Alright, sige ma'am, ready ka na ba? Kaya yan. For the special coupon. Okay. Nung unang panahon, joke lang. Okay, madam, how many hours per day do you use your cellphone or gadget?
12.
So dun sa 12 hours na yon, ilang percent or ilang oras doon ang para sa trabaho talaga at ilang percent naman ang para sa social media, paglalaro, movie, or iba pang for leisure lang?
Sa work, kasi hindi ako nag-work, racket lang. So, siguro mga 2 hours.
So kung 12 hours minus 2 hours, ilan ang sagot? 10. Ano pong ginagawa niyo dun sa 10 hours?
Nanonood kayo drama.
Oh, nanonood. Ano pong favorite niyo?
Ever since Crush Landing yun.
Alright. O sige, o di ba madali lang yung tanong, di ba? Na-pressure ka naman. Ako tuloy yung pinawis. Ma'am, congratulations. Please hold on to this coupon kasi mamaya ibibigay ko yung instructions paano i-claim. Alright? Alright, thank you ma'am. Another volunteer? Ayan, dito. Medyo maingay dito. Sige, madam. Ma'am. Please join me. Sige na po. Maganda po yung prize. Sasagot ka lang. Mananalo ka na. What's your name, ma'am? Sarah. And what group are you representing?
Parent ko kung magaling dati.
Wow. So sa inyo po nagmana. Sample? Alright, for your question naman, do you use your phone while eating meals with your family? Why or why?
Hindi ko rin sila pinapractice na mag-phone while eating or even studying. Kasi for me, that's one of the discipline na kailangan magkaroon sila. Kasi yung phone, meron lang time for that, the gadget. Especially pag sa bahay sila nag-study, pwede. Pero eating, hindi yan pwede. Tsaka pag nag-study, strictly prohibited.
Wow, napaka-discipline na. Napanalo na. And our Miss Universe. Sorry. Okay, thank you ma'am. This is as promised. This is your coupon po for... Please hold on to this. Later po, bigay ko yung instructions. Alright, thank you ma'am. And last. Okay, sige sir. Dito tayo. Mukhang vlogger si sir. Alright, sir. What's your name?
Lester.
Lester. Ready ka na ba sa iyong katanungan?
Make sure it's easy question.
Yeah, I'll make sure it's easy for you to answer. By the way, from what group are you?
Not yet. Not yet.
You're not from any group. So you just came here by yourself?
Oh, not more.
Alright, so how many hours or days do you think you can last without a phone or gadget?
5 or 6.
Hours or days?
Um, 6. 6 hours.
Why? Bakit mo kailangan na dun sa after 6 hours mag-check ka na ng phone?
Always sleeping.
Always sleeping. So what do you do with your phone?
Set the alarm to 4 a.m. 4 a.m.
4 a.m. You finish using your phone at 4 a.m. Wow. And then what time do you wake up?
5 a.m.
Wow. Why? What do you do? Why do you need to sleep only for an hour?
So I sleep from 11 to 5 a.m.
Because you're going to sleep again 11 a.m. to 5 p.m.
My phone is using from 6
5 days? Alright, so very, very...
16 hours.
16 hours, wow. Okay, so I'm sure, thank you for sharing that. I'm sure you will be able to relate to our character in the book, Brian the Nonchalant. So again, this is your coupon. Hold on to that. Later you will get a chance to...
Way to selfie with Jamie Fournier.
Later. Later, you'll have time.
So what time?
We will ask the stage managers and we will inform you. We will announce it, okay? Thank you! Thank you! Alright! So thank you very much sa lahat ng nag-participate. So, balikan natin yung mga sagot nyo, no? I think most of us, if hindi man tayong lahat, ay makaka-relate sa ating bida. So kanina binabanggit ang librong Brian the Nonchalant, and I am sure excited na kayong makilala ang puso at utak sa likod ng istoryang ito. At ng ilang pang mga libro ng St. Mary's Publishing Corporation. So please, allow me to introduce to you this brilliant author. He is an education and publishing professional with a deep mission to advance literacy, climate change awareness, and disaster resilience in the Philippines. He is an AIM Superior Performance Awardee with an Executive Master Degree in Disaster Risk and Crisis Management. Beyond the books, he is a co-founder of the Mountain Search and Rescue Team of the Philippines and a champion of environmental stewardship through the New Valley Plugging Society. With 23 educational titles to his name, please join me in welcoming a true advocate for informed citizenship and sustainability. Ladies and gentlemen, the curious prepper, Mr. Jerry Vicente S. Catabihan.
Hello, can you hear me? Good afternoon. Thank you for coming. I know it's lunchtime kasi it's funny. When I requested NBDB, mag-launch ako ng book. Siguro narinig nila lunch, kaya 12 to 1 ako nilagay. Anyway, so I hope you'll find this book very interesting. Aside from this book, I'll be also launching 2 more titles. It is my desire always to share the information. When I saw the kids, biglang nawala. Anyway, I saw the kids kanina, natuwa ako kasi para sa kanila to. I'm writing everything for them. And the best way for me to describe my book or to tell you about the book is through a play, an act. So I have invited actors from PETA para i-enact nila yung libro. I hope you will enjoy today's mini show para at least kapulutan niyo po ng aral. And thank you for sharing your time. Thank you and welcome. Maraming po salamat.
Thank you very much, Sir Jerry. So nakita naman natin, no? Very dedicated si Sir Jerry and of course ang St. Mary's Publishing Corporation sa pagsusulat at pagbabahagi ng mga relevant at napapanahong storya. So, handa na ba kayo? Handa na ba kayo? Excited na ba kayong makilala si Brian the Nonchalant? Gusto niyo na bang mapanood ang storya ng...
Who are you?
I-introduce ko pa nga lang yung...
Man, there's a weird lady sa kwarto ko.
Ay, naku, ay, Iha! Pasensya na sa anak ko. Sige na, ako na bahala din.
Ano ba to sa rehearsal?
Sorry. Oh, sige na, ako na bahala.
Ako pa eh.
Sorry. Sige, baba. Sige,
Thank you.
Magandang tanghali po sa inyong lahat. Pagpasensyahan niyo yung anak ko, ha? Wala po kasi masyadong awareness po yan, eh. Kita niyo naman, pati stage. Ginawang bahay. Ako nga po pala yung mama ni Bryant. At ito nga po pala ang aking uniko iho. Na kahit katabi ko na hindi pa rin ako naririnig.
I'm not deaf.
Ang lakas pa naman ng music mo, anak. Diba? Minsan kahit sumisigaw na nga ako rito, hindi mo pa rin ako naririnig. Pero itong anak ko, mabait naman po itong si Bryant. Ang tawag lang namin sa kanya, ng tatay niya sa kanya, ay Bryant the Nonchalant. Sino po ba yung Nonchalant? nonchalant dito, ay mukhang lahat nga po kayo. Yung mga anak nila, may nonchalant po ba na anak dito? Kayo rin po talaga ata nagmana sa mga... Ayun, meron po isa doon yung anak po na. Sige, dyan po lang po kayo, kuya. Nonchalant po nga tayo. Okay na po tumawa, ha? Okay lang magpalakpakan. Maraming salamat. Balik po tayo kay Brian. Mabait po yan. Pero unbothered king po talaga na kahit may kalat na sa bahay o sa kwarto niya, wala pa rin. Kahit sarami ng nakasaksak na charger, wala pa rin po talaga eh. Kahit nga po na may balita na magkakaroon ng bagyo, hindi kinakabahan yan. Kahit may super typhoon na parating, basta't kasama niya ang kanyang best friend, nako, wala talaga. Kahit ganto-ganto yun.
Ma, I'm busy.
Ba, siya pa yung galit?
Talo tuloy.
Mas importante pa ata kasama niya ang kanyang games kaysa sa akin. Minsan nga tumatawa lang mag-isa eh. Ay, pero yung puti na lang nakakatawang video lang naman. Minsan naman, sinusubukan kong iaya siya palabas. Sabi ko sa kanya, isang beses kahapon, sabi ko sa kanya ganito, "Anak, tara dito sa labas. Ang gandang panahon ng Sabado ngayon, no?"
Maybe later po.
Tor, paano po ba ito? Ay, prayers ko na lang talaga na magbago ang aking anak. Parang nagmana kasi sa tatay eh. Katulad ng nonchalant na tatay dito. Ganun pala. Maglilinis po muna ako sa sala. Pakibantay na lang po muna, ha? Okay lang po ngayon? Pabantay na lang po, ha? Sige, salamat po. Ay,
Huh? There's always love naman. Nothing new. Ano itong nababasa ko? Climate change? Okay. Well, what does this have to do with me? Itong oras na pala. Tulog na ako. Ma?
Ay, bakit? Oo.
Ma?
Anak!
Bakit hindi mo ako ginising?
Ay,
Di ba
kasi
Monday ngayon? Wala bang pasok?
cancel kasi yung klase ng anak.
Okay.
Oo, buti nga, nag-cancel agad si Mayor. Alam mo naman yun. Kung makaano delay mag-announce, alam niyo yun, nakaranas na ba kayong ganon? Buti na lang talaga kasi hindi ko talaga alam kung hindi pa siya nagising o na-alarma kagabi sa lakas ng bagyo. Ikaw ba, anak? Ay, okay ka lang? Ba't parang nakakita ka ng multo dyan?
Ma?
O bakit, anak?
Didn't we pay our bills?
Oo naman, anak.
So then why?
Kasi walang wifi. Yun na nga, anak. Kanina pang may internet outage. Nasira raw yung poste sa kabilang kanto Affected tayo. Sabi nga ng kapitbahay, sa kanya ko pa nalaman na suspended ang klase nito. Hindi ka makapag-games, no? Anak, labas ka muna kaya ng bahay. Para iba naman yung nakikita mo, hindi lang yung si best friend mo. Ha? Labas ka muna habang wala pang signal. sinalyang best friend mo, ha? Pero, ang hindi niya alam, marami siyang ma-experience ngayong araw na ito.
Lalabas ba talaga ako? Baka bumalik naman agad yung signal. Ah. Lalabas lang ako ah. What the? Bakit ang gulo dito? Daming kalat. What happened here? Kagabi lang. Ma'am, question. Is the typhoon really that strong?
Wala, hindi zero. Teka lang, nakakaintindi ka mo ng Tagalog?
Yes.
Yun mo pala eh. Oh, pinag-gabi mo oh. Ano, tulog ka ba kahapon?
Yes.
Lakas mo ah. Halika, nakikita mo yung punong yon?
Ah,
Yan oh.
okay. Oh.
Eh, ilang beses tayo pinapagyo dito. Ngayon lang natumba yan. Halika rito, halika rito. Taon-taon na lang nga tayo nagkakabagyo dito. Pero alam mo, palakas na lang ng palakas talaga. Eh, sabi nga ng lolo ko eh. Parang iba na talaga yung klima ngayon, ngayong panahon nito, dito sa planetang to. Wala eh. Sabi niya nga pa sa akin yung punong yon, di pa ako pinapanganak, nandito na yan eh. Pero tingnan mo, ngayon lang napatumba. Wawa naman yung mga ibon. Wala na silang mababahayan. Kung kasi, tayo may kasalanan yan eh. Di tayo nakikinig sa warning ng kalikasan.
Warning. Isn't that the same thing na sinabi ni teacher? Ano nga ulit yun? Warning. The earth sends warnings. If we don't take care of it, the warnings get louder. Ano yung ibig sabihin? Warning gets louder. Ito ba yung
Hoy!
warning?
Brian! Hoy! Hello! Nandito ka pala. Ngayon ka na ata lumabas ng bahay mo ah. Ha?
Si Jasmine pala to.
Oh, kamusta ka? Hoy! You know what? Gusto mo tumulong maglinis?
Hi, Jasmine. Sorry. Just passing by lang. Pauwi na rin.
Well, I mean, you can clean if you want.
Wala kasi akong gloves eh.
O
Sorry.
ito, may extra ako. Marami pa
Pero parang papuno na kasi yung bag mo.
Ay, huwag ka mag-alala. Meron rin pa akong basurahan dito.
Ay, may extra ka.
Oh! Sige na, marami pa ako.
But,
Sige na, tulog ka na.
okay, sige. I'll help a bit.
Yay! Okay, sige, pwede bang maglinis ka dyan? Ako maglilinis ako over there. Ha? Okay? Alright, okay. Kasi ito, kailangan mo na extra gloves?
Okay, siguro.
Okay na yan? Sige ah.
Thank you.
Hello po, baka may basura po kayo dyan, pwede po namin kunin. Meron po kaming pa-coupon, pa-price po. Sige na po, meron na po ba kayo dyan? Ayan, thank you ma'am. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa pagtulong. Ayan, baka meron pa po sila. Ayan,
Ano ba ito suotin?
meron po kayo dyan, basurahan? Oo. Sige, para makatulong po tayo sa environment. Maraming salamat po. Ito po. Ayan, maraming thank you po. Ayun, ayun, thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat
Hindi ko alam
po.
paano suotin yun. Ito na
Ay,
lang.
thank you po.
Ito,
Thank you.
may trash po. Trash.
Baka may trash pa po sila.
Sorry.
Wala na.
Hawakan ko na lang.
Meron pa.
Oh, sorry. Ito po.
Trash. Ayun,
Trash.
ayun, ayun.
Ayan, may binigay si Jasmine sa ating
Salamat,
coupon.
salamat. Ayan.
May trash.
Parang tapos na ata ako sa side. Ayan, thank you po, sir.
Here,
Salamat
do you
po
have
kayo
trash
po.
pa?
Thank you po, thank you po.
Sige po.
Ayan. Ay,
Thank
naku,
you.
sir. Parang
Hi,
parang po
do
yung
you have trash there?
Thank you po, thank you po.
Here po.
Meron pa po.
Here po.
Thank you po, thank you po.
Ayan.
Okay,
I have a coupon for you. Sabi ni Jasmine, bigay ko sa'yo.
Ano pa ba kaya dito? Ayun.
Jasmine, I think I'm done here.
Okay.
Dahil ang
Thank
kalat
you.
eh.
Ayan, okay na rin naman.
I think we're finished, no?
Yeah, for now.
Wait, what?
Uy, wow! Kita mo ang linis na ng park ko!
Ay,
Grabe, ang galing mo naman maglinis. Thank you, ah! Thank you, Brian. You really help. Oh, high five!
High five. Jasmine, do you do this a lot?
Ang alin? Cleaning? Well, I do try my best to contribute. Kasi, you know what? May napanood kasi yung video na ang sabi doon, if we don't throw our trash properly, alam niya ano nangyayari? Napupunta pala sa drains, and then napupunta sa rivers. Like, parang nangyayari tuloy, if we don't try to prevent that, napupunta pala sa ocean, tapos nasisira yung ecosystem natin. Diba? Like, parang yun yung dahilan kung bakit yung floods are getting worse. Grabe, no?
Oo nga, no?
Yeah, so I'm really glad that you helped, Brian.
Me too.
Or what if, sali ka kaya ng class org natin?
Plus org?
Yeah.
Let me think about it muna.
Sige na.
Sabihin ko muna kay Mama.
Okay, yes, sige. I'll see you na lang after the suspension ng classes, ha?
Okay.
Alright, I'll go na. Okay, yes.
Thank you.
Bye,
Kaya Jasmine. Kinabahan ako doon. May wifi na kayo? What a tiring day. Tiring than any other game na nalaro ko. Wow.
Anak, may wifi na.
Finally! Yes. Game start. Teka lang. Climate change. Oh. Okay. Ito pala nangyayari doon. Recycling. Oh. Wow, ang daming proseso. Storms. Wow. Ang lakas. Lakas. Oh.
Ay, nako. Buti na lang talaga. Ay, magandang umaga naman po ngayon. Dami nangyari. Dami rin po nangyari sa akin eh. Oo, ganun talaga pag multi-role, no? Pero maganda naman yung nangyari ngayon. Kasi nung kinaumagahan, ganito yung nangyari kay Brian. Nak, bangon ka na, anak. Tara. Ginawa ka itong tsokolate, iwan mo habang mainit pa.
Can we plant something sa garden?
Ano yun ulit, anak?
Can we plant something sa garden?
Nak! Okay ka lang ba? Pakihawak nga. Ano? Nakamugan ka ba? Ano nangyari sa'yo kahapon? Paano ka?
Ma,
Sabi mo sa akin
okay.
naman- Ay, hindi ako nagbibiro, ha?
Ma, I'm fine. I just wanted to start something new. I want to try to help the planet a bit.
Ay! Thank you, Lord! Hallelujah! Maraming salamat po!
Ma. Where do I start po ba?
Ay, ganito, halika. Punta tayo sa balcony. Ganito, anak. So, ayan, baba ka muna dyan, ha? Ikaw muna bahala
Okay.
dyan. Dahil ako, proud plantita, tinuruan ko si Brian ng basics ng pagtatanim ng halaman, tulad ng kalamansi, sili, kamatis, at guess what? Siya na yung nag-check everyday kung kumusta ang halaman. Nakikita ko na rin yung paunti-unti pagbabago sa ugali ni Brian. Yung dating nakatingin siya sa tablet, ay ba ngayon, tinitingnan niyo kung may nakasaksak pang charger dyan at binabalik niya.
Ma?
Oh,
Balik ko lang yung charger mo sa kwarto, ha?
okay anak, salamat. Tapos, kapag hindi ginagamit ng kwarto, pinapatay niya yung ilaw. Siya nga pa nga nagre-remind sa amin ng tatay niya na gumamit ng reusable bag. Diba? Sino yung gumagamit dito ng eco bag, reusable bag? Sino nagpapaalala ng mga anak nila na gumamit ng reusable bag? Huwag kayo ayun, meron po doon, mabuti. Maraming salamat yung bata yun, pinapaalala. Keep up, good job. At tapos, syempre, sa eskwelahan,
Ma, I'll be joining Jasmine's group po pala.
ang dami mo ang dala. Ano meron? Si Jasmine, yung
Ako.
klase mo.
Oo, she invited me po kasi to join yung, ano po nga ulit yun? Youth for Environment in Schools Organization, or YESO.
Oh, yes, I know.
Parte
Parte rin ako dati ng organisasyon na yan.
talaga po?
Oh, yes! Kala mo, ha? Sige na, baka maliit ka pa sa date niyo ni Jasmine.
Ma,
O, joke lang. Bata ka pa, ha?
it's for the planet po kasi.
Oo, sige na. Yan. Anak kong si Brian, sobrang busy na. Hindi sa games, kundi dahil dun sa nag-volunteer siya sa organisasyon ko dati na gumagawa at nagpaplano ng mga clean-up drives at nagtuturo sa mga bata kung paano pangalagaan ang ating kalikasan sa komunidad. Marami talaga na nagbago sa araw na yon, mula nung araw na yon. Mahilig pa naman mag-games si Brian.
Ma, labs lang ako ha.
Oh, sige. Bye-bye, anak. Yan, dala-dala niya pa rin ang kanyang tablet. Minsan-minsan nag-games, maya't maya nag-music. Paminsan-minsan nanonood ng mga environmental videos. Iba na talaga. Natutuwa ako dahil sinusubukan niyang ibalanse sa outdoor time ang kanyang pagtatablet at paglalabas. Gusto niyang tulungan ang environment kaya sinisigurado niyang tumutulong pa rin siya. One step at a time, he tries to learn something new. Pinipiro nga siya ng kaklase niya na dati tawag sa kanya ay Brian the Nonchalant. Ngayon, ang tawag sa kanya ay...
Brian the Planet Guardian? I'm down. If it means I get to help maintain how nice this world feels. If it means that as a kid, I could help the adults and the scientists make a better change in this planet, I'm game with that. Because this world belongs to kids too. So I promise from this point onward that I, Brian, will care not just for myself, but for our nature, about my weather, about the environment, and about my community, and about the future. Because even though I started as Brian the Nonchalant, I could also become Brian the Brave, Brian the Aware, and Brian the Earth Protector.
Yan na nga ang aking anak si Brian.
Wow! Let's give our actors a round of applause! Nagustuhan ba ninyo ang palabas? Yes! Sinong character ba yung nagustuhan niyo? Or kanino kayo pinaka nakarelate?
Wait, you're the weird lady sa kwarto ko kanina, di ba?
Brian, manners.
Ay, sorry. Ma'am, may question po pala ako.
Yes.
Saan po pala pwedeng bumili? Kasi alam ko po, dito yung St. Mary's Publishing Corporation. Saan po yung booth
Yes,
nila?
oo. Yung booth ng St. Mary's Publishing Corporation, nakikita nyo yung wall na yan.
Aha.
Sa likod lamang
Oh.
yan. So dito kayo, dadaan lang kayo dun sa entrance, exit, then turn right, bilang lang kayo ng onting stalls. Makikita nyo ang AA49 and AA50 na booth ng St. Mary's Publishing Corporation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Maraming salamat, Iha.
Ma-
Magpasensya.
Maraming salamat din. Alam ko may lakad pa kayo. No? Actually, pupunta kayo dun sa booth no,
Yes.
ng St. Mary's Publishing Corporation.
Yes.
Oh, sige. Thank you.
Thank you, Iha.
Excuse na po
Okay,
kayo.
ako, sige.
Mapingin
Maraming-
ba?
Thank you. Bye!
Bye-bye po.
In the meantime, tayo naman dito, I think oras na para samahan muli ako ng ating author na si Mr. Jerry Katabihan dito sa stage para naman mas mapalalim pa natin ang diskusyon tungkol sa kanyang sinulat na Brian the Nonchalant. So we will have someone over there with a microphone para sa inyong mga mga questions. Meron ba kayong mga questions or insights? Kahit ano. Anybody? Meron ba?
Hello.
Sir, I think, ayan, the little boy over there po. The one wearing cap. Meron po siyang tanong for Sir Jerry.
Ang ganda! I like that. Well,
He said he likes the book po.
Yay. Thank you so much.
Hello. Salamat, anak. Good question. Easy questions. Sorry.
I think love that book so much. 5 out of 4. Or Brian the Nonchalance. 5 out of 5 stars.
Thank you, anak. Thank you. Thank you so
Such
much.
an amazing book
Yeah.
for learning with tablet.
Thank you.
Yeah.
How about for our parents on this side? Meron po ba?
It's okay.
Okay, so
Hi.
gusto ko lang po malaman kung sino po yung nag-inspire sa inyo para po i-come up yung character ni si Brian Financial.
Okay, that's a very good question. Kasi it's the same question that I was telling my wife the other day. To be honest with you, matagal na nakashelve yung idea. I was looking at the character named Jenna, which means Gen A. So I've been toying with that idea, naka-float siya, hindi ko malaman, hindi siya mag-move on when I was writing the book. Until finally, ito sekreto lang natin. I was watching an episode of Bubblegum. There was this character, superhero, ang tawag nila si Super Nonchalant. Oh, that's a good idea. Tsaka ganun si Super Nonchalant. Then from there, I started creating that character and evolving it into Brian the Nonchalant. Because I really need to connect the digital divide and the environmental indifference ng mga bata ngayon. Hindi lang mga bata, ng mga tao ngayon. Because we need to be aware. That inspired me a lot. Okay? Thank you.
Thank you. Ma'am, what's your name?
Your name, please.
My name is Clay po.
Lay. Thank you very much, Miss Lay. And thank you, Sir Jerry, for that answer po. Anybody else? Okay. Sir, ako na po muna, no? So, sir, yung about kay Brian the Nonchalant, or Brian used to be a nonchalant, no? Ano po yung gusto nyong take away para sa mga children and also para sa mga parents na din and adults like us regarding dun sa transformation ni Brian?
Okay. That there is hope. Climate change is real, but there is hope. And we can act now. So we should do something about it. Ang little steps natin, like turning off the lights when not needed, consuming lesser of the energy and everything, walking instead of taking a car or riding a bike na lang, and commuting, yung mga ganong maliliit na bagay, makaka-contribute. And most especially, if you pick up that small trash along the road, that will give a good impact in the future.
Alright, I agree, sir. So, kaya nga ako din, katulad din ni Brian, no, pag hindi ko naman ginagamit yung mga charger, isa-isa lang ang saksak and pinapatay, and also yung lights and fans and ACs, of course. And then, sir, another question po. You chose to write about this advocacy, and then you also chose to have a unique way of launching it through the one-act play we saw earlier. Bakit niyo po napili yung pagsusulat at bakit niyo po napili yung pagsasadula upang i-launch ang inyong libro?
Okay, the best way to extend and communicate, or extend my message and communicate my message to people is to write a book. And the best transfer agent are the kids. Sila ang pinaka-importante and most effective kasi once na nakinig ang mga bata at sinabi sa mga matatanda, madaling sumunod, baliktad eh. Mas madaling sumunod ang mga matatanda sa
Guilty.
mga bata. Guilty.
Guilty as
Yes. You will notice that if you go to the groceries, pag nagpabili sa inyo ng ganito o kaya nagpabili ng pagkain, you can hardly say no when your kids said, pag lalong sinabi ni teacher. So, kaya ako, I start with the kids, I appeal to the kids, and at the same time, the best way, the easiest way to translate or deliver to you this message is through an act. Okay? Para at least makita po ninyo. Kasi if, I can easily describe a book, tell what's inside, but not unless you have read the book, hindi nyo ma-appreciate. Dito mas makikita ng lahat in 15 minutes.
And I think it's very effective po, no? And I would like to suggest na maybe you can also do like a school tour, diba? Parang when you would introduce the book to different universities or schools, bit-bit nyo rin po kami. may hidden ano pala, agenda pala. Hindi, pero parang, kumbaga magkakaroon din ng pagsasadula around the campus. Kasi it really, I noticed the audience kanina, actually even the parents, talagang na-catch po yung attention nila even with just 2 actors.
In fact, there's one friend na educator then, he has been planning to do a lot of plays about my books, my titles of my books. Hindi lang naman kasi ito, gusto niya i-translate. Sabi ko, by all means, yes. You don't have to ask my permission. Gawin niyo lang ng gawin. The important thing is, we pass on the information and the knowledge. Yun eh, sa message ng mga books.
Alright, thank you. Sir, nabanggit niyo na rin po, no? So, alright, so from one book to the other 2 books, nakikita po natin, meron din tayong naka-display dito. Ang Sagradong Hintuturo and also Nang Magtagpo ang Look at Lawak. Sir, can you tell us more about these 2 books po and how they are related to Brian the Nonchalant?
I was actually to launch 3 titles today, but since I was requested to focus on one, siguro I'll take advantage na lang of introducing to you and telling to you what the other 2 books are. So far, I have written 23 titles kasi Brian the Nonchalant is a 33rd title. Pero I think it's worth mentioning to you kung ano yung Nang Magtagpo ang Look at Lawa. Look in English means bay. Lawa means lake. So if you're from Metro Manila, you can get an idea. If you look at the map, Nang Magtagpo ang Look at Lawa, which means nang mag-meet ang Manila Bay at Laguna Lake. So it sends you a message, right? So ano yung elemento na sinasabi doon? Actually, ito more on setting ito in the future. It could be possible, it could happen. Pwede din dumubog ng Metro Manila, but science-based. I'm not trying to scare people, but I'm trying to gather all the evidences and the probabilities. Basahin niyo po yung libro, and I'm not claiming that I'm an authoritative on that or I'm prophesying on something, but it could make sense, okay, of what's happening politically, flood control issues, climate change, environmentally, and at the same time socially. Makikita po ninyo na, may possibility pala na pwede mag-meet ang Manila Bay sa Laguna Lake. You can imagine that. Okay? Siguro naman napanood nyo na yung film na Waterworld ni Kevin Costner. Parang gano'n na
Hindi pa po sila
scenario.
pinapanganak, yung iba.
Then, another thing, itong isang libro naman, Ang Sagradong Hintuturo. Siguro, the title alone can explain the book, what's the book about. Index finger. Hintuturo. Okay? Meron nga nakiki-argue sa akin, Sir, hindi index finger yan. Hintuturo means pointer finger. Diba? Sa English, hindi hintuturo sa Tagalog, index finger sa English. Bakit? Yung mga Pilipino hindi naman tumuturo ng daliri, nguso ginagamit natin. Kaya biro lang. Pinubuhay ko lang kayo. Anyway.
Guilty as charged na po
Guilty as
sila.
charged. Okay? So, ang Sagradong Hintuturo tells you about the political situation. ayuda mentality, it teaches you about values. It teaches values to the kids of what they will become as kung ano yung mga values ang dapat matutunan nila when they grow up and when they become voters themselves. It should guide them. It tells them ano yung do's and don'ts. Okay? Actually, this book was encouraged na isulat ko by a friend ng taga non-trail siya na sabi, ba't ikaw gumawa ng related naman sa election? Oh, sige, sure, why not? Then that came about, ang sagradong hintuturo. Maganda yung story nito. It's a story about Nonong, and I encourage you. Mamaya yung mga nanalo ng coupons, yan ang giveaway ko kanina mamaya.
Wow!
Yan ang nanalo sa kid. I'm sorry about the Bryant the Nonchalant kasi hindi pa siya off the press. Digitally printed copies pa lang. Kaya dito siya.
Okay, so digital copy siya. Alright, sir, to wrap it up, to wrap everything up po, no? Apart from here sa ating booth ng St. Mary's Publishing Corporation, saan-saan pa po ba nila pwedeng ma-purchase ang 3 librong ito and yung other title books po ng St. Mary's Publishing Corporation?
As usual, online, di ba? It's
What's
Lazada,
your-
Shopee. Yeah, parating dyan naman eh. That's the best medium nowadays.
Do you have another physical store po, sir?
I don't have a physical store. It's always online. It's more
Okay.
effective.
Alright, so Lazada, Shopee,
That's it.
TikTok. Yeah.
TikTok in the future.
TikTok as well. TikTok. Alright, so if you guys want to purchase these books, and also, kung gusto niyo pong i-browse yung iba pang title books ng St. Mary's Publishing Corporation, you can visit their booth later po. No? So, thank you very much, Sir Jerry. Salamat po, and thank you as well for being with us. Kahit na lunchtime, naging very lively and very participative po kayong lahat. And sabi ko nga po, yung mga may coupon kanina, sino yung mga nanalo ng coupon? Taas ang kamay. Alright, so mamaya, pupunta doon si Sir Jerry. Actually, after nating mag-closing, dadiretso na sa booth si Sir Jerry. Pwede niyo po siyang sundan sa AA49, AA50 para maklaim niyo po ang prize. And also, pwede na rin po kayong magpa-sign ng box na inyong makukuha and mapapurchase and picture taking na din. So, okay po ba? Alright? Okay, so muli, maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. Lagi nating tandaan, ang mga aklat ay parang mga pintuan na nagbubukas ng bagong kaalaman, imahinasyon, at pag-unawa sa mundo. Sa bawat pahinang binabasa natin, lumalawak ang ating isip at puso at natututo tayong mangarap, magtanong, at mas makilala ang ating mga sarili at kapwa. Ako ang inyong host, Iya Oliva, at ito ang Philippine Book Festival 2026! Bye!
Maraming salamat, Iya, at of course to our author in the spotlight, Mr. Jerry Katabihan. Thank you as well. I'm here because I'm going to ask for a photo op. We want to remember having you here at the Fiesta stage with us. First, Miss Iya and Jerry, let's have a picture of both of you in the middle.